Bayapsong fighting जों Tripura Public Service Commission ni official application process flu nailene bahike application khanjini LDA system kam types eba ICDS supervisor Bayapsong fighting जों official application process flu step by step bahike khainang nailene Bayapsong जों pulino bini Tripura Public Service Commission ni website ma hamnai abon pore जों account create ma khlainai account create khaimani yagulo login password dok slamjak thanachini slamjakma yagulo जों password जों login ma khainai login khaimani yagulo application for exam ni bagui ajaga page phainai Bayapsong jaga kaisa muitunakde oro important koksak tongo one time profile creation ekbar baran rok o page no create khaimya ajaga edit khaijaknai bo tongnai tei delete khaijaknai bo tongnai norok chaya khe edit khaimano tei abono delete khaibatai edit khaina hari katal khlaibai bo khaimano obo hai sajak norok puilano kaham khai khlaidi gaboni yagulo norok mo hai page tongnai apre fill submit application form aro khlaibai jotono khaimai yagulo payment process tong borokni apre payment option tongnai payment option ni pore norok bono o jaga online payment ma khainai credit card tiphano debit card tiphano khlaidi norok online tei payment 150 taka nangnai jara STSC BPL card holder rok hingkhai 150 taka nangnai jara onyono others hingkhai 200 taka nangnai Bayapsong nok sima kana waisa bai kaham khai khlaina nango obo khe one time profile creation ni sajak ekbar bai norok kaham khai khlaidi last date tai bisi kwrwikha 15 tarik jora se norok daktino khaidi kaham khlaiui norok preparation rok khaidi form fill up khaikhe norok preparation rok bo khaina bagui teisa kaham khai chaitogui mano aboni bagui norok khlaidi hingkhe norok jodi form fill up khlainani page problem wngtokhakhai norok sadai ang pola direct page ni ang nongno phunugui riono tamtamo bahai bo haikhe singya nang joto confuse tongkha khai sadai ang norokno phunugui rwnai jotono no hambai।